Our next two model set is item number 052899. This is a Illinois Central Panama Limited, the 1941 to 1945 scheme. It's an EMD E6A and E6A diesel engine set. These come to us from Railway Classics, built in Korea by Aojin. Both units are powered with factory paint, excellent overall detail and cab interior detail, and there is operating dual bright LED headlights, as you'll see in our demonstration of how they run. This two-model diesel engine set is available from brasstrains.com. The item number is 052899.